There are various inventory valuation methods which we can use them to value our inventory, whether at the year end, at the period end, or for the items we're gonna issue or sell from the stock. We're gonna cover LIFO here, last in, first out. Be with us till the end of the video. This is Milad Akbari from Akbari Education. Welcome to your channel. As I told you, we're gonna cover last in, first out, which is a method for inventory valuation. Let's go directly what is here in this video. We have the inventory valuation methods which are now generally accepted. What is LIFO? We're gonna discuss about LIFO. There will be an example and a practice question. Directly, there are three methods for overall inventory valuations, which one method is subdivided into two parts. That's why we can say there are four methods. One is the first in, first out. The second one is the last in, first out, which is LIFO we're gonna cover in this video, and the weighted average pricing methods, which is divided into sub methods. One is the cumulative or perpetual, we can say, and one is the periodic. The FIFO and the cumulative, perpetual or periodic weighted average will be covered here in this channel. You can go through the playlist, or you can search within our channel. That videos will be there very soon, and the FIFO is already covered. But related to LIFO, it means last in, first out. What comes last will be issued first. Suppose I have purchased two markers. This one, the first one I have purchased, and this is the last one or the second one I have purchased. In case of issuing this or selling this one back to the customer, I will issue or sell this one first. That's why what come last will go first in simple method, and what come first will stay as a closing inventory in the stock at the period end. This is the difference of LIFO with the FIFO. To go ahead, we have an example which is related to month of May, from 1st to 11th May. We had two receipts and two issues. That's why we're gonna cover this example as per the LIFO method. How we gonna go ahead? First of all, let's see, we have at 1st May we had 100 units of at 1st May. We have 100 units as the opening inventory. 100 units at the rate of $2 equal to $200 is the opening inventory value. Second, after that, on 3rd May we have some receipt. On 3rd May, there are receipt of about 400 units at the rate of 2.1 equal to 840. 400 units at the rate of 2.1 equal to $840. This is still similar with the FIFO method. So we're gonna distinguish these items: 100 units at the rate of $2 and rest $400 units at the rate of 2.1. The total 200 plus 840 is equal to $1,040, the balance available at the end of 3rd May. Now the cases here, writing them separately will cause the issue and complexity with the LIFO. Remember that point. Let's continue. After that, we have some issue at the date of 4th May. There are some issue of about 200 units. 200 units in it is totally opposite to the FIFO. We're gonna issue from the last item which entered to the stock or to a warehouse. So 200 units will be issued at the rate of $2.1 from these 400 units. 200 multiplied by 2.1, 200 multiplied by 2.1 equal to $420. So the remaining balance will be 100 units at the rate of $2 and 200 units from this one is the remaining balance, and the total value will be, you can easily deduct the 420 from 1040, and the remaining balance will be $620. This is the remaining balance. To go ahead, after this period, on 9th May, we have again some receipts. On 9th May, the receipt of about 300 units at the rate of 2.12, totally equal to $636. Now, what is the available balance after this receipt in stock? Will be 100 units at the rate of $2, again 200 units at the rate of $2.1, and additional 300 units. You can see how it become complex if the types and rates of the inventory change a lot during a period. This is the complexity of this method of valuation. So we have overall 620 plus, you can add them easily, 636, totally 12,256. 1256 is the balance available at the end of 9th May in stock. Let's go ahead. We have another issue at 11th May of 400 units. At 11th May we have some issue of 400 units, but from which units available we're gonna do the share. 400 units, this 300 unit is not enough, but we're gonna cover first of all this 300 unit at the rate of 2.12. The remaining balance will be issued from this 100 unit at the rate of 2.1, and totally equal to 300 multiplied by 2.12 plus 100 units multiplied by 2.1 equal to 846. The remaining balance available in stock after this one, this 300 gone, 100 from this gone, therefore 100 unit at the rate of $2 and 100 unit at the rate of $2.1 is the remaining balance in stock, and totally equal to 100 multiplied by 2 plus 100 multiplied by 2.1 equal to 410. 410 is the value of closing inventory. So this is the closing inventory, remember that point. And if you add them all together, this is the total value of all your issues or sales during the period, and this is the value of your total purchases or receipts during the period. Let's go ahead. We have a practice question. Practice question had 3 purchases and 2 sales during the period. 1st January, 31st January, and 28th February are the purchases of 4,000, 1,000, 1,500 units. And on 15 February and 14 March, there are some sales of 3,500 units. The question said, at 31st March, which of the following closing inventory valuation using LIFO is correct? Which value for the closing inventory is the correct one using the last in first out method? Recommend pause the video, focus on this question, after that continue that video and come with me. But let me clean the board. To continue with the question, let's come to the point. It is possible that you solve this question within the table I have given to you, but MCQ questions have the nature of limited time, and to speed up in simple way you can do a bit tricks there. Let's go ahead with that. It is the LIFO method, and under LIFO, suppose they said we have 4,000 units purchased. the first of all, there is no issue after that, and we have some 1,000 another purchase and there is no issue. But after that they say that we have issued 3,000 units. The last item which come will be issued first, but that's not enough. Therefore we're gonna issue this 1,000, and in addition to that we will go to the last one, which was 4,000 and 2,000 from this one, which totally end up to 3,000 units has been issued. Therefore the remaining balance which is available from first batch is 2,000 units still in go down. After this 2,000, the question said we have receipt of 1,500 units. Again, there are purchase of 1,500, but from this 1,500 at 14 March we have issued only 500 units. Therefore 500 units has been issued, and the remaining balance will be 2,000 units from the initial batch of 4,000 and 1,000 units from the batch we have purchased on 28 February. Therefore we're gonna go with the rates. What is the rate of them? The 4,000 units was purchased at the initial $10,000 divided by 4,000 units equal to 2.5. $2.5 is the rate. And what about these 1,500 units? 3,750 divided by 1,500 is equal to again $2.5. So we're gonna multiply the 2,000 unit multiplied by 2.5 will equal to 5,000, and the 1,000 multiplied by 2.5 is equal to 2,500. So both together will end up to $7,500 as the value of the closing inventory available in stock at the end of period 31st March. Option C is the correct option. Thank you so much for being with us till end of the video. Kindly subscribe to our channel, press the notification button, and important than that, share this with your friends. Thank you.